Welcome back to another field report presented by Church Brothers Farms. My name is Sam Koster, Salesman and Commodity Manager. We haven't done one since I think the end of 2025, so we decided to give these another shot. And I'm standing with
Sam Dozier, Genetics and Automation Manager. So today we're standing in a field of ready leaf. With this cooler weather that we're experiencing, we're seeing a lot better quality, lower insect pressure. So we're actually pretty pleased with the quality that we're producing in this field. Coming out of the desert season, we're experiencing some adverse weather conditions with higher temperatures. Quality levels dropped, and we did experience the same thing coming into the Salinas Valley this year. With the climate kind of settling down to what it normally is, we're seeing quality improve and insect pressure drop.
what has changed for Church Brothers since the last growing season. Salinas would have to be our recent acquisition of Mann Packing. We inherited their broccolini, sugar snap peas, green beans, anything bean related for the most part. And this really expands our produce catalog for our beloved customers. And we can't wait to grow it even more.
The acquisition of Mann, we were able to take full control of the whole field to fork level of the broccolini and snap pea and bean categories, where before they were more outside source products.
With the recent acquisition of Mann Packing as well, this brings our new Gonzales facility, which is located right in the heart of downtown Gonzales. This increases our cooling capacity, storage capacity, and most importantly, they have a shipping dock, which allows us to ship to more people in North America.
What we can expect from the Salinas Valley this season is some more pressure of INSV, especially on the romaine and iceberg categories. This insect is just something that's been here, and it started earlier this season than in years past. So therefore, we do anticipate a higher level of INSV dieback this year. INSV virus that we see predominantly in the Salinas Valley is a valley-wide problem. It's not just any one grower shipper that has that disease. We all have to contend with it. With that being said, we all do partner with new seed companies to rigorously test for new varieties that can either combat the disease or at least mitigate the die-off.
And what we ask for our consumers to do is just keep the first in, first out protocols, and just re-emphasizing the 3 C's, keeping it cold, keeping it clean, and keeping it cold. That's the #1 recommendation we can ask for our customers. And at the end of the day, farming is an outdoor sport, and we're doing our best to mitigate these risks for you and your customers. Considering it's May 1st, it's actually National Salad Month. So we encourage everyone to try our new Little Gem salad kits, which are now available at Rayleigh's, Bel Air's, and all Nob Hills.
Thank you for another day out here in the field with our market report, and look forward to seeing you guys in the future.